Today we got with us the Captain Go Kart 200, and we're going to be showing you how to locate the fuel and electrical components on it. Easiest thing to do is to replace the rear basket. Gives you slight access to the carburetor, but we're also going to remove the gas tank to make it easier. Be careful because it's going to be attached right at the bottom with the fuel filter. You want to shut off the fuel and then take out the fuel line. Let's remove the gas tank, and now you have full access. So you've got your carburetor right here, you've got your battery, which didn't need to remove anything, but you have quick access to the battery without removing anything in case you ever needed to access the battery. You've also got most of your electrical components under this box, which we're going to remove right now. You got your relay for the solenoid, you've got your signal light relay, you got your solenoid right here, and you've also got your CDI box and your voltage regulator. This is your air box with the vacuum hose going into the carburetor, your ground wire, your fuel filter that we disconnected from the fuel pump that came from the gas tank. This is the connection for your ignition coil and your spark plug, and connection all goes in right here.